Hey guys, Bill Soriano here. Just wanted to make a quick video here. Come on after the New York session. We're done trading here. New York session's not over, but done trading. And just want to go over some trades here. It was a pretty good day with our strategy today. Um, so of course, this is our strategy, the ATH flow with the trend line. It's on the 1 minute time frame. Again, the ATH Flow indicator, that's our community indicator. You have to be a customer of our community to get access to it, right? You can join our company. That makes you a customer of our community, and after you pay your membership fee, you have 7 days to try it out. If you're not happy, you can ask for a refund. So if you like what you see on this video today, I suggest you get with me to get maybe another video, look at something else, maybe the full strategy as explained by the leaders in our community, or just get started today. The time frames, the 1 minute, the indicators are our ATH flow. The settings are a multi-time frame, 5 minute, 15 minute, 55 filter. We have the trend lines with breaks. That is a Lux Algo indicator. We have the 3 EMA and 1 indicator with the 55, 233, and 987. We have the higher time frame, which is what I use to try to keep me out of pairs that are consolidating. So the guys in the community don't use this so much. This is just something I like to do. I only trade the pairs that the 1 hour time frame is aligned on, right? So the trends are aligned. Now, that also reduces the number of pairs I have to set alerts on, so I don't have to watch all the pairs. So you're looking for an ATH in the direction of the 1 minute and higher time frame trend using the 3 EMA rule. Show you this break of the trend line and then a confirmation candle. So let's see. And first of all, before we get into that, or no, maybe I'll do that later. Let me show you some of the charts here. I made screenshots of them here, just basically showing you where our entries were and where our exits was. This is AUDNZD. I actually took this trade twice today. And so you see your ATH indicator come out right here. We also could see that we see the first two moving averages. You can't see the third one, but it's down below here. So this is the 55, the 233, and then the 987 is down below. So they're aligned bullish. They're also aligned like that on the 1 hour. Okay. So your entry is right here. You get the ATH, you get a trend line break, and then a confirmation candle. This would be our confirmation candle right here, this big bullish candle. Get in there. Our exit would be somewhere around up in here, going for a 1 to 1.75 risk to reward. Then price comes down. We get another ATH right here, right? And there's our trend line break as well as our confirmation candle. So that's our entry, and our exit is somewhere up here, right? So that's AUDNZD, two trades there, guys. This was my one loss for the day. I did take this trade in the Canadian yen, CADJPY. We had an entry right here. We were bullish. Now, here's something to keep in mind for next time. You see how during this pullback here, the 55 crosses down below the 233. So this tells me now at the time of the trade, it's back up above it. But this is something that I noted for the future. If a pullback causes the moving averages to unalign, then I'm probably going to stay away from that trade. Okay. And as you can see here, we have right here, we have a ATH, we have a trend line break here, we have a confirmation. It's also a confirmation candle. So your exit's actually probably this candle here, not this one. But in any event, this ends up losing, right? This was EURNZD. I missed this one today. Okay, we have our red, our bearish ATH indicator right here. Moving averages are aligned, right? We have our break of our trend line and then a confirmation candle right here. There's our entry area and there's our exit. Now keep in mind, I'm marking the entry areas here, but obviously when you take a trade, you're gonna pay if you're buying first, there's gonna be a spread involved, so your entry is gonna be a little bit different. Now, in this case, you're selling here, so that's where you get in. But when you try to buy down here to exit the trade, price has to move a little bit further before your buy order will execute due to the spread. But that's where you're gonna get out. Okay. Another one here in NZDJPY. So here's our ATH, our bullish ATH, our moving averages were aligned. Here is our break. We got the break of the trend line here, and then a nice confirmation candle here. So we have an entry and an exit. This one gives us enough room. It's a little bit tight, on the exit, and then after that, it does drop down and ends up going down below our entry. But that was a winning trade there. And then we have a loss here in USD CAD. USD CAD, you could see the red bearish indicator right here. The moving averages are aligned, right? And then here is our, let's see here. That's not even a trade. Sorry, that shouldn't even be here because you could see here you have no break of the trend line here. So you have no entry on this trade. So that's a no trade there, guys. That's a no trade. So those were our trades for today then. We had NZD, win, which I did not take. I missed that one. EURNZD, win that I did not take. I missed that one. A loss that I did take in CADJPY, and 2 wins in AUDNZD that I did take. So that's what the day looked like for me. It was 2 wins, 1 loss. 2 trades that I missed were both wins. So before I finish, I like to always talk about Mark Douglas. He's the author of Trading in the Zone. Really good book, guys. I recommend you get it, read it, or if you're not a big reader like me, you get it on Audible on Amazon or audiobook or whatever you use. Nowadays for that, I use Audible on Amazon, and I can, put them on my phone. I can listen to them while I'm training or while I'm taking a walk or, whatever. But let's see here. With that, the number one, the fundamental truth. Mark Douglas talks about the 5 fundamental truths of trading, right? Number 1 is anything can happen, right? And so basically, no matter how perfect the setup looks, right, you can have everything in line. Anything can happen once you enter a trade, right? News can come out. Of course, we try not to trade during news, the high impact news, but many times even the low and medium news events have an effect on what happens with the trade, right? Even though we don't worry about those to a certain extent, we just worry about the red folder or the high impact news. Any news really can cause a drop in price. Liquidity can shift at any time. Large players can move into the market. It only takes one large player that's betting the price is going to go the opposite direction that you think it will, and that's going to take you out of the trade. And what this means is you should never risk more than you're comfortable with losing on a single trade. Professional traders understand they cannot control the outcome, only their risk and their execution. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Have a great day. Again, if you like what you've seen here, get with me. If you want another video with some more information or you just want to get started, let me know and I'll send you the link. Have a great day.